Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that Instagram not working. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for Instagram and you need to update your Instagram application from here. Once you update, you simply need to go back and open your smartphone settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for Instagram, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to restart your smartphone and log in into your Instagram account, and hopefully your issue will be solved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.